And welcome back. TVJ Sports understands that there could be a third contender for the presidency of the Jamaica Table Tennis Association. Jerome Foster reports.
Dr. Ramon Midas, a Jamaican attorney at law living in Florida, is said to be interested in the post of presidency when the next annual general meeting is called. In a release sent to TVJ Sports on Wednesday, Dr. Midas took a swipe at the current administration over its handling of last year's AGM, which was later declared null and void by the Supreme Court. Dr. Midas is quoted as saying, "The practice of facilitating the inflated ego of an uninformed president that has no regard for a sport he has never played and clear contempt for the laws of the highest court in Jamaica, while turning a blind eye to the misdeeds of the incumbent administration, has made our Table Tennis Association a laughingstock of the region. It is this attorney's professional opinion that they all should be legally barred from every aspect of the game for a period to be determined by the same court they have violated," end quote. The release went on to say, quote, "If elected president, I will continue to honor the tradition and sacrifice of those table tennis players who have preceded me, and will seek to pass on my knowledge and experience to those who follow my path. I will faithfully serve my community of table tennis players while recognizing that the truth is a strong medicine and must be delivered at the right dosage," end quote. A date for a new AGM is expected to be set once the current impasse at the JTTA is resolved. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.
Now, incumbent Godfrey Lothian and Andrew Liu are the two other candidates who will be contesting the election. Michigan's Eric Barnes and local hero William Knibbs are still celebrating their victories in the 53rd staging of the 54-hole Jamaica Open Golf Championship held recently at the Charles Course in Hanover.
The 33-year-old Eric Barnes, who is playing in his first Jamaica Open Championship, recorded the best scores in the last 10 stagings of the event. Barnes, who began the final round with a one-stroke lead over David Moreland, birdies the 3 par 5 holes to make the turn with 3 under par 33. While at the same stage, Moreland had 4 birdies, but had a bogey for a 1 under 36. The final 9 holes, Barnes had a birdie and a bogey to finish with 3 under par 69, followed with his 66 and 68 for an overall score of 13 under par 203, the lowest score in the last 10 stagings. Barnes collected the trophy and $25,000 US.
Anytime you can come to a new tournament you've never been to and get a win, it's awesome. David didn't take it very easy on me there early in the round, and I just had to kind of keep my foot on the gas and keep going.
The 51-year-old Moreland, who competed on the PGA Champion Tour, finished with a round of 66, 69 and 71 for 10 under 206, while Brad Adamonis and Ryan Linton tied for third with 7 under par 209. Meanwhile, Jamaica's William Knibbs became the first amateur in the past 10 years to finish in the top 10 after tying for 5th with 1 under par 215 to win the amateur title, by 14 strokes over Robert Owen. Knibbs became the second Jamaican to win the title after defending champion Justin Burrows, who finished 4th.
It's one of the goals that I sat down with my coach at the start of the year. That I wanted to win this tournament, so obviously it's very satisfying when you can say that you achieved a goal of yours.
19 Jamaicans participated in the Open, which comprised over 60 golfers. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.